Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to clear Claude AI data. So to start, open Claude and sign in to your Claude account. Next, go to Projects in the left-hand side. So select Projects. Next, open the project you want to clear. Now once you're here, go to the bottom right corner, then remove the files from the project's knowledge base or delete the entire project. So you can click this X button right here to delete the file just like so. If you want to delete multiple files, just click this box right here to select it and click this delete button right here. And that's it. Next, if you want to delete individual chats, so you can find the conversation you want to remove on the left side menu, for example, this one. Next, click this R right here next to the conversation's name or title. So click this R right here and click delete. And click delete again to confirm the action. Next, if you want to delete all Claude account data, you can click your name or initials in the lower left corner and select Settings. Go to Account and look for Delete Account and click Delete Account right here. Click I understand and click Delete again to confirm. So account deletion is permanent and removes access to your saved chats.
Hey guys, quick one before we continue. My team and I publish step-by-step tutorials on useful software, apps, and tools to help you get things done every single day. And so if you're finding these videos useful, I'd really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button and give this video a like. And of course, so that you'll never miss out when we release more tutorials just like this one. Now, let's continue.
So make sure you back up your data if you want to delete your account. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching.